This is the Woodwork Challenge. Loser gets bummies. Let's go.
Let me explain the rules real quick. Whoever hits both posts and the crossbar wins the game. Stay tuned to the end for bummies.
Yo, we've already won one of these today. It's time to win a second.
Little redemption arc. Got scammed out of the last win.
Oh! Holy aura. Holy aura.
Post this time. Let's see how I do. I think I hit both right then, but let's go for the right side. Ah! Oh.
Right side pipe, is that what you want?
So, gotta hit this last one and I'll win.
Okay, just there for me.
Yes! Boys, bummy time! Ah! That was the Woodwork Challenge. Hope you guys enjoyed.